Alright guys, it is October 2nd and the rain let up so far, and now we are gonna get ready to load up and go and start on a project. I'm out of town here, so it's a smaller project, but we're gonna get it done. So it's been a wet season, you guys. Wet season, definitely has. We gotta load up some river rock. River rock. So Michael's gonna put on the bucket and we're gonna get some river rock. What on this project, once we get there, I'll show you guys what we're gonna do. Fall is coming, you guys, no doubt about it. It's getting cooler, the days are getting cooler, the days are getting shorter, so we got to get a lot done, get as much done as we can. So I think Michael's gonna go and hook up the trailer. Guys, start loading up. I'm gonna take the guys over there and show them what to do. Alright guys, so we're here. Let's start over here, Michael. Alright, so we'll pull up all this black thing. Black edging comes out. This shrub, this one, pull that one out. Keep these two. Pull these guys out. these volunteer one, all the weeds and stuff in these, they want to keep all this. Yeah, keeping all this, but just pull out like the weeds and stuff in between. But that comes out.
Same on the other side.
Yep, same on the other side. All the rocks come out. Same thing on this side. Pull the weeds right here. Pull that guy out. Pull the black edging out. Pull this weed out. Edgings all come out. Leave the hostas. All the weeds come out. All of this. All of this, yeah, wipe all of this out. The only thing that's staying is the hostas, micro and pond. So if that stays, pull this weed out. Pull all that out. Pull all that out. We can leave the grass here. Pull that out. These guys actually, this one, trim it down, like round it right here. We'll get new growth on that. Same thing with this one back here. So trim that down. This guy we got to pull out. This one comes out. So use the fork. This one. And then same thing with this one, just trim it. Then all this plastic comes out. All this comes out here. Yeah, rocks coming out. Get most of that rock if we can out. The marker, because the edging is going to go back in. This one's the same, but this one I got to straighten out that line on that. I'll mark it. Alright guys, we got all the shrubs pulled. Michael's getting the edge.